Hi, I'm Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to guide you through the process of canceling your Adobe Illustrator subscription on an iPad. Whether you subscribed directly through Apple or via Adobe's website, I'll cover both methods so you can easily manage your subscription. First, let's start with canceling through Apple, which is the process you'll use if you subscribe to Adobe Illustrator via Apple Payments on your iPad. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPad. At the top of the screen, you'll see your name. Tap on it to access your Apple ID settings. Within these settings, you'll find an option labeled Subscriptions. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a list of all your active subscriptions. Scroll through the list until you find Adobe Illustrator and tap on it. You'll see an option that says Cancel Subscription. Tap on this, and you'll be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Once you confirm, your Illustrator subscription will be canceled, and you won't be charged for future billing cycles through Apple Payments. However, if you didn't subscribe through Apple and instead signed up directly on Adobe's website, you'll need to cancel your subscription there. To do this, open Safari or any web browser on your iPad, go to Adobe's website, and log in with your account details. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or subscription management page. Look for your Illustrator subscription, and from there, you should find an option to cancel it. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation. And that's how you can cancel your Adobe Illustrator subscription on your iPad, whether through Apple Payments or directly on Adobe's website. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to know which method applies to your specific situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and guides. See you later!